we now have the new scenario for the Cambridge Nationals ICT exam for this summer. And we're going to go through what the scenario says and what you should expect on the exam paper together. If you open the scenario booklet now, you'll see it says at the top, information for learners. Animated cartoons use colourful graphics, strong characters and extremely imaginative storylines. Scenario 1. Social media can take many forms. When users sign up to use a social media site, they agree to follow the rules of that site. A freelance illustrator may choose to use social media and other digital methods to publicise their work. Scenario 2. Scenario 1 is about Animated World Books. Animated World Books is a publishing house that creates books, comics and frame-based animated cartoons. Animated World Books employs a range of staff who collaborate to make the books, comics and animated cartoons. These employees include actors, writers, illustrators, animators and sound engineers. Some of these employees are based in the main office of Animated World Books, but others work from home. Employees who work from home may be based anywhere in the world. Catherine works as a project manager for Animated World Books. Her job is to oversee new ideas from the initial design stage, when ideas about new characters and stories are discussed, through to the creation of the assets for use in finished cartoons. Catherine is also responsible for publicising new characters and storylines to trade publications and the wider public. To fit in with Animated World Books' high technology image, Catherine is expected to make as much use of new technology as she can in her publicity. She has recently been looking at how smartphone apps can be used to advertise new products. Scenario 2. Richard works as an illustrator for Animated World Books. He also creates artwork in his spare time. He has his own website from which he sells some of his own artwork. Customers who wish to purchase artwork from Richard can express an interest by filling in a data capture form on his website. When he is not working for Animated World Books or on his own artwork, Richard travels to get new ideas for stories and illustrations. When he sees something that he finds interesting, he uses his smartphone to take a photograph of the item. Richard will sometimes use social media to share the image with his friends and customers. At other times, he will only share it with colleagues from Animated World Books. So we've now got a list of what the key topics are that you need to revise. There's the next page, the information that has been given from the exam board, and on the back of the booklet is our custom list that's been created exactly for you. You need to revise to understand all of this for the exam on May the 13th. It seems like a long way away right now, but trust me, once we take Easter out of the time and once we go through each of the topics that's on that list, it's going to come up really, really quickly and we want you to be ready. At Dame Elizabeth, we've also got a mock exam coming up on Monday, 23rd of March, so you're also going to want to be as prepared as you can be for that. I want to say good luck, work hard, revise this scenario, and you can be really, really well prepared to do your absolute best in the exam in May.